Hello, Spooky Beautiful. Thank you so much for joining me. On this chilly day, I'm taking the time to liven things up with a winter floral arrangement. Let's do this. I'm starting off with these beautiful white roses as my centerpiece and accenting them with these lovely pink carnations that remind me of springs to come. I'm also adding some dusty miller stems that are so wonderfully soft like a fallen snow. Finally, I'm contrasting all these soft textures with these beautiful sea holly stems. As always, I have my super trusty scissors. These are super sharp and perfect for cutting through tougher stems. I've also got this little packet of generic cut flower food that I received with my purchase from the forest that I'll distribute amongst the vases to keep our flowers fresh. I'll be using my handy-dandy little watering can filled with freshly purified water to fill up all of my vessels. When I buy flowers in bulk like this, I think it's always nice to make several different arrangements of varying sizes to put in different places around my home. I'm going to start by filling up each of the vessels with the water that they need. This is purified water, which should help all of the freshly cut flowers last much longer. I'm going to cut into the flower food, which will also prolong the life of all of our arrangements. I like to start with the larger of the three containers, and I utilize the arrangement that I create for this to decide on what I'd like to do for the two smaller ones. I really enjoy the process of prepping each of the stems, removing thorns and leaves that will fall below the waterline. It's a very relaxed and meditative process, and I like to take my time. Sometimes a particular bud will have a few petals that are a little bit less than perfect, so I delicately remove those as gently as possible. For this project, I'm going to be using some tape to create a grid that helps hold individual stems in place. When it comes to creating the arrangement itself, I take a very intuitive approach and just take my time relaxing and enjoying the process of creating something beautiful that's going to enhance my space. I find so much value in bringing a little life and beauty into some of these colder months. It always reminds me that there are wonderful little things in the world. The time I take creating these arrangements is like a meditation on all of those little moments of growth and beauty, for which I am so deeply grateful. Even this little arrangement is a tiny reminder that life can be so very beautiful. After all of our hard work, here are the finished results. I am so grateful to have had the time to dedicate to this, and I'm so happy that you joined me in this lovely little moment. Thank you.